how to fix your Android screen flickering issue. So if you're also facing such Android screen flickering issue on your mobile device, here's what you need to do. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you have successfully restarted your phone, as this can resolve some minor software glitches. And once you do all of that, if the issue still persists, just try disabling adaptive brightness from the top menu from over here, and just try to disable it. That is your adaptive brightness. And as these settings can sometimes interfere with display. And additionally, what you can also do is just try updating your Android system and apps. So to do that, just head over to your settings on your device and simply scroll down until you find the option that is software update. So make sure you have checked or downloaded and installed the recent or latest update for your Android version. As you can see, my current software is up to date, so I do not have to do that once again. And once you successfully update your system, just try relaunching your mobile application or mobile in general, or mobile device in general, and it's so fix the issue. And if the problem still continues, then just head over to your settings once again and just come over to your option that is general management under settings, and simply scroll down until you see the option that is reset. Now simply select it, and from over here scroll down all the way until you see the option that is reset all settings. Now simply select it once again, and you can see the reset settings button from over here, and you can just tap on that to successfully reset all of your settings for your mobile device, and it will definitely fix the issue regarding any screen flickering on Android. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.